Today is Noor's first day at school. She feels nervous but also excited. Let's follow her story and practice English together.
Mom, this bread is yummy.
I'm glad, Noor. Have some more.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie.
This bread is yummy.
I'm glad, sweetie.
Can I have more?
Of course.
Time to pack my school bag. In go my books and my pencils and lunch.
Goodbye, Noor. Have a great day.
Bye, Mom. I will.
Love you.
Did you finish the homework assignment we got yesterday? I did mine right after dinner. It was super easy.
Hello, Noor. Welcome to school.
Hi. Hi. What's your name? What's your name? My name's Noor. Hi. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Oh dear, this doesn't seem to be your desk. Giggle softly. There's a spot for you right over there. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you, kid.
A, B, C.
C.
What is this, Noor?
It is a book. Read with us. Read with us.
Now, let's all read together.
So then, the dog started chasing its tail. And then what happened? I bet it got really dizzy. I like my school. I like my changs a roller. Take it. I like my school.